Hello, hello! Welcome to the Luana English Podcast. I'm Luana, and I am so happy you are joining us today. This is the place where we make English feel like a conversation with friends.
And I'm Josimar. Hi, everyone. Luana, I'm excited about today because we are talking about something that makes people sound, well, very real.
Exactly. Today is not about big verbs or difficult grammar. Today is about the little words, like, and well.
These are called filler words. They help you think while you speak. So if you want to sound more natural and less like a robot, stay tuned.
So, Josimar, the weekend is coming. Do you have any big plans?
Let me think. I don't have big plans, but, well, I might go to the park on Saturday.
The park? That sounds nice. Which one?
Like the one near the city center. The one with the big fountain?
Oh, I know it. It's beautiful. I went there last week and it was like really crowded.
Yeah, it usually is. Well, maybe I'll go early in the morning to avoid the people. What about you, Luana?
I think I'm going to stay home. I have a lot of books to read. I want to be like a total couch potato this weekend.
Ha, a couch potato. That sounds perfect. Well, if you change your mind and want some coffee, let me know.
Thanks, Josimar. I'll send you a message if I do. Okay, Josimar, let's talk about what we just did. We used those words a lot.
We did. And notice, listeners, we didn't use them because we forgot English. We used them to bridge the gaps.
Let's look at Josimar, when do you use
I use when I am searching for a specific word or a memory. It tells the listener, wait for me, I'm still talking. If you stay silent, the other person might start talking. Keeps your turn.
That's a great point. And what about like? This one is very popular with young people.
Yes, we use like to give an example or to describe something that isn't exact. For example, it was like 10 o'clock. Maybe it was 10:01 or 9:59. It's an approximate word.
And my favorite is well. I use well when I'm about to say something different or when I'm starting an answer to a question.
Right. If someone asks, do you like pizza? And you say, well, sometimes, it shows you are thinking about your opinion. It's very polite.
Let's look at 5 important words or phrases we used today. 1. Filler words. Definition: small words used to fill silence while thinking. Example: using filler words makes your English sound more natural. 2. Couch potato. Definition: a person who watches a lot of television and does not have an active life. Example: on Sundays, I am a total couch potato. 3. To avoid. Definition: to stay away from someone or something. Example: I go to the gym early to avoid the crowds. 4. Crowded. Definition: a space full of people. Example: the shopping mall is always crowded on Saturdays. 5. Let me know. Definition: a phrase used to ask someone to give you information later. Example: if you are free tomorrow, let me know.
This was a fun one, Luana. Remember, friends, it's okay to pause. Use or well instead of feeling stressed by silence.
Exactly. Your homework for today: try to use well at the start of one sentence when you speak English today.
Practice makes perfect. Thanks for listening to the Luana English Podcast.
See you next time. Bye-bye.